Hello Taiba, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing great. So this is your speaking test session. I will ask you some questions what you have learned from the classes. So are you ready?
Yes.
Can you say something about yourself?
My name is Taiba. I'm 13 years old. I'm studying in 5 years. My father name is Joshimuddin and my mother name is Shumi Akhtar. My father is a job holder. My mother is a housewife. My interests are traveling. My favorite color is black. And my favorite person is my brother because her ideology have influenced me a lot. Finally my ambition is to be a pilot. That's all.
Who kept your name?
My parents strongly kept my name. It distinguishes me from others' name.
May I know how old you are?
I'm 13 years old. I was born in 2012.
Where do you come from?
I come from Kraniganj.
Where do you live in?
Now I live in Kraniganj.
How many people are there in your family altogether?
There are 5 people in my family.
Who are they?
They are my father, mother, brother, sister, and me.
What do you do?
I'm a student of class 7. I study at Baga Preschool and College.
Got it. Then can you say 3 IPA sounds?
There, the sound is pop, the letter is P, in the tongue twister is Polly put purple paint in the pool. The sound is the letter is T, in the tongue twister is dead tail, dealing in the day.
Can you tell me your family members' professions?
I'm a student. My father is a job holder. My mother is a housewife. My sister is a student, and my brother is a little baby. My uncle is a job holder, and my auntie is a housewife. My grandfather was job holder, and my grandmother was housewife.
Can you say something about their personality?
First of all, I am faithful. My father is a hardworking, and my mother is a diligent. My sister is a aggressive, and my brother is a loving. My uncle is a hardworking, and my auntie is a friendly. My grandfather was a hardworking, and my grandmother was a diligent.
Can you say the phonic sound of alphabet? The letter is
A
yes.
A B B C C D D E F F G G H H J J K K L L.
Then can you tell me how many B verbs are there in English?
There are 10 B verbs in English.
What are they?
There present tense am is are, past tense was were, future tense shall be, will be, others be, been being.
What is the full form of IPA?
The full form of IPA is International Phonetic Alphabet.
Okay, that's great. That's all about you today's speaking test session. Very good. So bye.
Bye bye.